you, one really cool thing I have learned about hot tubs recently is that when you get in the hot water, it helps to kind of reboot your state of mind. And this could be no more clear as to looking back in history of who a couple people out there have done that. So when some of our great leaders like Winston Churchill and Benjamin Franklin were trying to make really good decisions, they would actually go soak in a warm bath and have someone dictate to them notes. And so this is an idea that is instilled in us. It's for all of time, we've kind of had this thing where hot water does this really neat thing to us, that it resets our nervous system when we're in it. It takes us from that fight or flight state that we can be in during the day, making decisions, being pulled in many directions. And we get in that water, and the natural thing everybody kind of does when they get in, and they just say, that feels good. And it kind of puts your mind in a new state. And that is how I think we can make some better decisions for a family or for your business if you're in that, or whatever aspect of decisions you're making. So that's one way to make better decisions, is jump in the hot tub and take a soak.